Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. I'm going to talk about UCH Hardwoods.com. I've been for 17 years, I've been buying my plywood from Woodcraft. And I get a really good price because I used to be an employee and I still get a good discount. But they've quit handling the larger sizes. And I was like almost frantic because I make a lot of maps and stuff that take up the whole sheet. Anyway, I reached out to these folks. Matter of fact, I reached out to like three other plywood vendors, and this company sent me samples. Now, don't ask them for samples. They gave me samples to test and run because of my YouTube channel, and 11 million views and 9,000 videos and 37,000 subscribers. So it's to their benefit. The other company just, I guess, didn't see the light. He wrote me a short note. They do not make the plywood here, but they're picky about the mills they use. I'm pretty proud of the quality because it is wood. Wood is a natural product. I can't guarantee every board will be 100% free of glue pockets and knots and stuff, but I believe it's better than you'll find anywhere else. And we stand behind their product. If you ever have any issues, we'll take care of it. Their main goal is to sell hardwood, project-ready hardwoods. They do their own milling on site. They're family-owned and operated, which is kind of unique and cool. I got in my package yesterday. I never have ordered plywood through the internet and got it shipped through the mail, and I was pleasantly surprised. The quality of the packing, they shrink wrapped it so it wouldn't warp. Plywood is going to warp. I don't care who made it. But straight out of the packet, I laid it in my bed and it wasn't warped. And I laid down a big sheet and it cuts great. This piece had no blemishes on one. That's why they guarantee no blemishes on one side. Now, every piece had a little bitty blemish, but there's ways to work around with that. And with the price being what it is pretty good. So I ran it through what I call an ultimate test. I cut out a puzzle. And so this is cutting every 3/8 inch, cutting another notch to find, if there's glue joints or glue pockets or knot holes. And then I did what I call ultimate test. I cut out a finger joint or a living hinge in 4 different directions. And if you're going to find a glue pocket or a knot hole, you're going to find it in these slots because they're 1/8 of an inch apart. Anyway, and this is for my puzzle people. This is how I took it out of the laser. 1, so you can pick up all the pieces, and 2, you can flip it over and sand it, and then sand that side, and then put tape on the sanded side and flip it over and sand the other side. I'm truly impressed with the product. I will be I will purchase in the future. I'm just going to go to their website. Well, I guess I deleted it. But you just go to UCH, and I hope I'm saying that right. So their main product that they like to sell is something they make. And like I use a lot of walnut. I can't find walnut in 1/16 of an inch. And so you go 4 inch or 6 inch all the way to 12 inches. I don't buy hardwood that's more than 4 or 6 inches because you're going to get some warpage. I don't care who makes it, kiln dried. You're going to get a little bit of bow in the bigger sheets, much like you do in plywood. And this company might be different. Now, one thing they do in their website that the piece is 4 by 24 exactly. And so I use a lot of 1/8 inch. I mean, for $5.15, that's what I used to pay for a 4 by 24 from like a big corporation with alder that's probably made out of overseas. But their plywood is what I was more interested in because I can make my own hardwoods, veneers. But they have, 1/8 inch plywood in 6 different sizes. I got the 20 by 30 and the 12 by 24. My suggestion would be to buy the 12 by 24, and then you have 2 12 by 12. But I mean, $1.44 for a piece of craft 12 by 12 eighth-inch plywood. I mean, even at this, that's a little less than I was paying at Woodcraft. Now, I'm going to have to pay shipping, but the shipping wasn't terrible. And I haven't even really looked at their website too much. Of maybe they give you a discount on it if you buy so much of it, and I will find that out. But anyway, if you give them a try or you used them before, email me off my email for and let me know what your feelings are. I'm thoroughly impressed, and I will be a long time purchaser of this product. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.